Hi, I'm Zach Weidenaar. I'm doing the full Mishigami challenge, and this is my Trek Emonda ALR. Got Velocity quill rims laced to Industry 9 hubs, red AXS 2x. That's kind of about it, really. Speed play pedals, Easton bars, Easton. Used to be a full Easton cockpit, but the seat post, I found a crack in it last night. So now I've got my cyclocross seat post on there. And a Shimano Stealth saddle, or the Pro Stealth saddle. I've got a Wahoo Bolt, the first one. Relevant Designs gas tank, and then with some food in it, and then a garbage bag, an emergency blanket, a change of bibs, some tools, and that's kind of really about it.